range formula ko ne ithot ham jiko range will be equal to u square kya manaba sin of 2 theta divided by g umla katra in terms of component na kamani ki this will be 2 times your ux uy divided by this is g na igi katra sum lai jare ko और anyway कोई ना सिर्फ conclusion जे simple होने लाके Alimana CP is a Kalidika but we have a body of mass M record. This body of mass M is drawn with the same speed u the Fontaurem at two different angles. Let us consider the angle to be this is theta 1 and Kalazeba. This is theta 1. It produces a maximum height of Kanamana Pradista is this is H1 Pradista Kalazi and it lands at this point, striking point is the at time T1 Kalazi. Yabo. Next second case second case the same object is thrown with the same velocity u the thrown at different angle the at what angle at an angle theta to the mark thrown understand it generate or it produce magi height produce it produce a maximum height is to generate the width and it lands at this point after T2. Understand here the only common parameter that is included in both projectiles same range range for these two projectiles will remain same. Condition number 1 our condition number 1 is that theta 1 plus theta 2 must be equal to 90 complementary angle the same range produce we will be having two conditions. The body must be projected with the same speed I understand the Magi speed to same speed and these two projectiles must be projected at two different angles such that the sum of these two angles must be complementary 90 amana if theta 1 is if theta 1 is 60 degree then theta 2 will be 30 degree amana 50 another will be 40. Okay, understood the I see this minus or as my theta 1 can be now written as my 41 45 minus theta and theta 2 is my this is equal to 45 plus theta. The two angle can be expressed as 45 minus theta 45 plus theta. Example theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 and example they may give you like this. We have two angles 45 minus theta 45 plus theta. Then what will be the condition? This is same range condition. You add theta 1 and theta 2, you will get 45 minus theta plus 45 plus theta minus plus get cancel out 45 plus 45 90 I conclusion complementary angle can be expressed in this way. Now point number 2 point number 2 here very simple all about the time period T1 by T2. This is important. Time period simply when T1 will be equal to in terms of your component this is 2u1 this is u sin of theta 1 divided by this is GLE. Can we put like this or not? My expression is and what about your T2? T2 की value थी कमाई रहनी से T2 will be equal to 2u this is sin of theta 2 divided by this is G यार Can we put like this? This is equal to 2u sine of theta 2 can be written as 90 minus theta 1 ini ibabra. Can we put like this or not? Sekarang iko divided by g. Adu ita here this would be 2u sine of 90 minus theta sekian mana? Cos theta mana natra? This is 2 cos of theta ini ibabra divided by z. Adu if we divide your theta if we divide t1 by t2 t1 and t2 yang kata tadi u 2u by z 2u by z get cancel out. Adu kaya remove and set. Sin of theta 1 by cos of theta 1 nama remain ta hoga. And it's very simple in a you forget everything. Time you are time comes with times come without square. Square dia lakra lakti ko square lakti mina. Sila ko na this is t1 divided by t2 hai tadi very simple na so gadang tang ha ai extra ini kita harap get sin of theta 1 divided by cos of theta 1 ini ibe abra si divide to no divide to no tadi we are left with sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Okay, I understood to me. We are now obtain with tan of theta 1 ini ibe abra dabra adu tadi very simple enough. You forget this intermediate steps of piro ya bra intermediate steps of piro do kamai la ni se t1 t2 time period ko ita na this is tan of kaya lakot the ratio of the two different height for same range condition will be tan of numerator kana yawi lower case se 1 over 2 bro 1 idna tan of theta 1 exam da nang confusion sakre kala se doubt re kala se ba instead of writing like this you write accidentally as t2 divided by t1 kaya ni bata rahe se this will be still tan of theta numerator ki lower case angle ki lower case and the numerator ki lower case what must be equal if you take 1 1 2 2 dagre aro bro ai is understand to ngam ngam dabra ngambe ko gyan tarani. Okay, adu ita di here si ai amam thalura natra double de irora double de iradi ko next kai pirami mag height mu iradi ko time gi hada ko ki ke adu ga what about the multiplication my multiplication di kya pirami t1 into t2 de kya pirami formula di ga hai my right hand side di je top kon top kano de right hand side di t1 t2 is equal to 2r by z na apna tara si by heart to do ni ko se ai si khang ko kom de ko kamani adu ga what about your t1 plus t2 my t1 and t2 plus to with yaram red not required cancel to ko ya ra ai si kamani ko adu simple hoina man pyramid the question will be like this very simple an object is thrown at two different angle at complementary angles khangani ko complementary angles ma je throw tawre and it the object produced two different time t1 and t2 3 second and the 5 second 3 second and the 5 second khangani ko under the same range condition then you should find out the same range to kya hogegi common range will be equal to this is 3 into 5 equal to 2 into r divided by g. R can be easily found out from your time period t1 t2 ai is khang iko mana pili je matam je han no hun badana 5 second change ani sugon badana 3 second change adu itadi magi range common over range to kya आता है 3 into 5 equal to 2 into r divided by 10. Okay, ai is kham bro yarani ko don't worry we will be taking question based on this formula. C formula is the yaw bolani. Next time you height ki kaidla is what will be the expression for your height ki expression ki no maximum height will be u square by sin square theta divided by gm lakh bro this is 2gm have ni ko adu it comes with times now without square adu ga height na it comes with square ma tabra very simple hoina h1 by h2 je kya ata rani h1 by h2 will be equal to numerator kya no 1 हम लाख नत्रा अदि your ratio will be also tan square kya lakwa theta 1 accidentally na h2 na hanta di if h2 is taken as numerator na no ta h2 by h1 will be tan square kya lakwa se theta 2 hai gadra hero hai se khanga diko ratio mo khange now adi nu kai lai very simple oina magi h1 h2 the product of the two heights se kya lani h1 h2 is equal to r square divided by 16 nam lakra lai next term kana lani se h1 plus h2 h1 plus h2 will be equal to u square divided by 2g yo main on se phap pu je this one you have to by heart this one by heart this one by heart this one ya bra understand tawi adu phai na sai common noi gi se kai no ska ka suru ka yo wala copy to ji ko see the diagrams ka what are the two physical quantity that remain constant for both trajectory ani max se common noi ka na oi range is common yar ko next will be the kana oi velocity of projection of bro adu starting from this product magi product sida idi the product of the time from the product of the time we can find out the range है ना तो क्या अपना from the product of your height we can find out the range है ना तो क्या इको अदुगा if we take the sum of the height of the we find out we can find out the common velocity or common velocity of projection है ना तो क्या अपना आई ने तांगिंग is very simple है ना we have h1 h2 t1 t2 ले लेते ना corresponding with h1 h2 z if we multiply h1 and h2 we can find out range multiplication will produce range kami ko t1 t2 range find out to where bra if we take the sum lo re kala jikara from sum no then h1 plus h2 lo kala we can find out the common velocity ai jatra ai understood to mo bro namme yar atra confusion like ko se adu this is the common range condition the your range common range can be find out by the multiplication of corresponding height h1 h2 corresponding time product of corresponding time t1 t2 by using this formula khangani and the common velocity can be find out by using this formula okay plus to ragana common velocity will be obtained multiply to ragana kai khangani ba you will get range okay yarani now mathal the last one now for your angular projection today mo se man very simple logic ne ha ke ko nang ma stone ma pai re stone ma jina throw to re kara mo throw to ino this stone is thrown such that it just pass through the top of a building or top of a tree mana pass to re ko I am not talking about the maximum height reached by this projectile see ki projectiles na reached to maximum height to natte ba I high say when you throw this object it just pass the highest point of this building or highest point of this tree magi tree dugi upami dugi just man khela ga chat kare ba pass to chat kare ko and it reached the maximum height my maximum height is sita tabra ta bro this is ice maximum yeah they understand the we go adu it very simple way na kamai pyramid when the object is thrown from a distance x away from the tree then tree se dagi kya throw to rahe se x lapne dagi throw to rahe aduga it lands on the another surface atopa side amada tare on another side ta tare ko magi kya wani from here to here se ke yo range over with the bro range this is the tare this is r minus x amala ka la oitra tani understand to mo bro nabi adipana this is smile hindi ko what will be the height of the tree to kya ta I not to nang nung ma hule nung sina kana pass to reba the stone just pass the maximum height of the tree and this tree is at a distance x from the point of projection and r minus x from the starting point on either side amumda jantai ko adu itara what must be the height of the tree that is the question okay janta ba understand the we adu here very simple enough height of the tree will be equal to kana ogini the product of two different distance that is kana ogini say distance c point ke kawi point of projection I metro the distance of point of projection from the building x multiplied with the distance of the striking point from the building r minus x यागदे यारे रो यारे into क्या माना बसे tan of angle of projection theta divided by this is range यागदरा this is written in your formula number 6b यागदरा this much of formula is required for your exam point of view atai iri ma'am say those who want to know the extra information you can read the formula extra formula you do papiro but necessary essential or bukan hudi ne sida is that is sida yare the question what is it question number 35 morning namaga ulah pun tahu pun dah ada nanti yang kaya bose question number क्या हो से question number 35 से आंसर क्या आता था के डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लिखो मार सिंपली है question number 35 था a ball is thrown at different angle with the same speed u from the same point aduga mana bhai je it has the same range in both case y1 and the y2 are the height p देखो अतः h1 plus h2 will be equal to क्या माने इसे u square by 2g नंगा सिंपल पुतुब से आई के तुम हाय हो गया if you forget the formula नंग formula से का ऑपरेट कर लेगा पर आई मसा है कि तो 2 minute 3 minute utilize कर रहे हैं कि तना product will give you range some will give you common velocity am lakra adi sinang yaw is common velocity yaw na tro loy mo common velocity ada pyramid si space you want to have to ya yan ba kami ni ko adu na te option ji de mana sumai pyramid si ai na ai na hani ise sumai pyramid de option number a da that r divided by the 2r divided by g p result option number b the u square by 2g m p result option number c da nana kay MP res kya y1 y2 p na this is only r and p res bro the option number d the kamai p where none of this sinus y p se res bro none of this I understood to guna miko option this minus change taro la khala jeba adu itadi this is some itadi it will be used for finding out kana find out to na common velocity tabra option number b will be your answer yagadra ऐसे खंगनी को काउ गीता रगसु आई क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 नाना नोट करे नाना फॉर्मूला गरा नोट करे को नाउ लेट अस डू योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 जोलसी 37 होत्री ममांग करतन ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 के आंसर तो क्या था नहीं क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 तले इसे प्रोडक्ट को पी ब्रो t1 t2 multiply तो इको t1 t2 multiply to tari it will give you range ma period draw the product will give you range ai na sedang sai iya thami dana product will give you range ma period pi da bro our answer will be kya tani range ya kadra ya rekho se adi option number kaya sumani it will be option number 2 kama nati ko mana do igido kama ni igibe wani ko product ni anyway let us do your question number 37, 39, question number 40, question number 41, 45, towards it. Question number 37. The angle of projection is 45. Aduga hantang nasi kya lani se change kitang lo thok se man hari se kya ha it is 8 meter away from the one adu final la khada la ho your x is equal to 8 meter ya bra understand to mi ko and what about your r minus x on another side this is equal to 4 meter ma tabra understood to we adu gini koina mana 3 je so the em mo ta so ga lakra ya tai ko here se understand to me adu ita what must be the height of the tree very easy boy calculate to hairani your y will be equal to kya manani x into this is r minus x in divided by r into this is tan of theta amna apna tro this is can we put it as tan of 45 guna pe bro yaar x kya no this is 8 r minus x kya no on the another side of the tree what is the distance striking distance sina kya hai ba distance of projection is 8 meter the striking distance is 4 meter 8 into 4 divided by what will be the range se kya tha ni 8 meter from here to here this is 8 meter plus from here to here this is kya mana no formula bro 8 plus 4 kya tha this is 12 meter bro this is 1 ma pe abra da bro 10 45 will be equal to 1 tha idna this is equal to 3 our answer will be 8 by 3 finish go ahead understood to we direct formula ni ko koi nahi utilize to we je next question da mu yo question number 39 question number 39 da mana piri se kai pira question number 39 a ball is projected vertically upward with a certain speed of the mass another ball of the same mass is projected at an angle 60 degree to the vertical adu dinanga munna paam matamda for any angular projection you must consider the angle subtended by the velocity of projection is the angle with respect to the horizontal surface or is it with respect to the vertical hanga do bani ko koina sida calculate to matamda this angle theta se whatever the formula पर we discuss से कहीं no your range is equal to क्या माना उसे this is u square into sin of 2 theta divided by g याई को time is equal to क्या माना बा 2u sin of theta divided by g maximum height will be equal to क्या माना बा u square into this is sin square theta divided by this is 2g हम ताबरा bro all this angle will be with respect to the horizontal कोई ना formula दिराय तो मतलब दने angle दो कना आगा दी consider to लो भी horizontal का consider to लो गुना त्रा माना pyramid से के pyramid you should read the question very carefully the angle is with respect to कना दनो vertical है बोलो मनी question तो पारो question number 39 is the angular projection है here smile अपना त्रा माना this central angle say this is 60 degree if this is 60 then our theta will be equal to 30 degree if you take theta to be 60 you will not get the answer what I am trying to say is that this 60 degree is with respect to the kanaga within vertical but all the formula are with respect to kanaga horizontal lakna to adina vertical angle se kanaga convert होगे horizontal angle the convert होता है that is 90 minus 60 क्या था 30 हम left ले उधर bro अदु दी simple होइना the angle of projection is 30 degree for this question number 39 okay understood तो होगा मैं यानी अदु simple होइना ने माना है इसे we have two one dimensional motion and two dimensional motion हम पीरेवा h1 will be equal to formula आता है नो u square by 2g यानी ये आप रहा तबला this is one dimension hai na tro one dimensional motion hai di motion in a straight line ma hai na tro straight path ama da humkot kare anal tar bro along a straight path. So for your one dimensional motion, if any object is vertically projected with velocity u to pata radi maximum height will be u square by 2g yaradra yare this same object is projected with the same velocity u at an angle 30 degree with respect to the horizontal. I is at an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal ama p ko adu tari what is the maximum height? My maximum height se kya hoga ni this let us consider this to be h2 nena be abra dabra yare adu the at this highest point the kai hoga tare it will have potential energy lateral lawi bro yan gani ko at this point it will be also the particle will also have potential energy pe1 this is pe2 amma hai be abra and what is the formula for your potential energy kya mane mgh manab natra yan tai ko can we put it as mani be are mgh1 yabra signa ke hai ni irani mgh2 ni be abra bro understood to me mana pyramid ke pyramid no you have to find out the ratio between the potential energy at this highest point when vertically projected along with the potential energy at the highest point for two-dimensional angular projection. Two-dimension height right bro the height is change tawi this the horizontal distance is change tawra that is two-dimension the angular projection height bro adu ita very simple hoina can we put it as pe1 divided by pe2 will be equal to kya mana gani see mgh1 divided by mgh2 this get cancel out okay so we are left with only h1 and h2 la pra h1 ki dikhange and what about your h2 amta hai no hebrenge h2 ki kya mana ge silai di formula si ye tham di si le na tro so kya mana sa this is equal to u square sin square 30 degree divided by this is 2g ne ya bra this will be equal to kya mana ni sir u square divided by 2g into sin 30 की वैल्यू क्या माने हाफ ता नत्रो हाफ की स्क्वायर होता है 1/4 या बरा दिस वाई इवन के या कई के h1 will be equal to u square divided by 2g क्या को से divided by क्या लागो से h2 will be equal to u square by 2g into क्या लागो से 1/4 and e बराबर है this and this get cancel out and we are left with 4:1 क्या कहता we are ready adu di mo sa ai kanon ta hayoge without any calculation how to deduce the correct option ai bam lakra adum tang ai hayoge copy to kinom ta option da kum cha se option number 1 ta hai se option number a da 1:1 option number b da kya lakra se option number b da 2:1 हम लाख रहा ऑप्शन नंबर सी दा क्या है 3:2 हम पी रहा पी रे ऑप्शन नंबर सी दा ऑप्शन नंबर डी दा क्या आता है 4:1 हम पी रहा पी दबरा पी रे अदु सिंपल होइना ऑप्शन नंबर 1 से कोइ ना खंगे स्वाइना एंगल लम तो हुनबगा चुन्न हुनके बगा दा हाइट करा हेलनी which one will produce more height diagram में this will be more height natro more height means potential energy is directly proportional to height greater the height more will be the potential energy tabra koi na we see potential energy of one dimension divided by potential energy of two dimension hai bane ba height wa mo phon na potential energy wa mo tro the numerator must be greater than the denominator ma tabra understand to ngami aduga adu di mana cp they will have the same potential like this is eliminated gyan tai understood to ngami aduga ma ki sida 3:2 je sida this may be possible this is possible oi bra oi 2:1 jabra yeah maram the numerator is greater that means height here is greater than height in this case na height baneba sida ju possible oi bra but this two will be eliminated karigina eliminate to this because we do not have square because we do not have 2 or 3 in any square any number of square no 2 ta ave apne no any number of square 3 ta bro ya the maram the your height is directly proportional to e square lakro lakta bro square lakta ra gadi kayo ba tayo set? This 2 is not a square number, eliminated. This 3 is not a square number, eliminated. So we are left with only 4. Without calculation, you will get the answer. Hay get ra? Ay, kang ani ko. Ang kawat patan banoy di suma sa kang yani.